Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of kernel security check failure. And if you want to fix them, then you can follow a few steps that I will tell you. The first of all will be the most common, which is outdated or corrupted drivers. So what you have to do is open your device manager. So hit your Windows key on your keyboard and type in device manager. And then you have to click on the system drives to expand these options. And you have to find a driver which has a yellow error icon. For instance, let's suppose if this driver has a yellow icon here, I will right click this and I will click on update driver, search automatically, and then I will follow the steps to repair my outdated or corrupted drivers. Now, if this solution doesn't work for you, then you can scan for the malware. What you have to do is hit the Windows key again and type in virus, and you will see virus and threat protection. Select that. It will open this page. Now what you have to do is click on the scan options and then click on full scan, or you can also try Microsoft Defender Antivirus. So you can select any option and click on scan now. Now if it finds any kind of malware on your device, it will help you delete and eliminate that and fix your kernel security check failure. If this solution also doesn't work for you, then you can go for the next step, which is check for corrupted system files. To check that, what you have to do is hit the Windows key on your keyboard and type in CMD. It will show you command prompt. Right click on run as administrator. Now you will be able to see this box. Now you have to type in the command, which is sfc /scan now. Hit enter. Now what will happen? Your PC will automatically search for any corrupted system files on your PC and help you repair them automatically. And the last but not least, if all of these solutions doesn't work for you, the last option is to reset your PC. So what you have to do is this time head over to the settings of your PC, scroll down and click on recovery, and here you will be able to see an option called reset this PC. Select this option, follow the prompts, and your PC will be reset and it will be refreshed. So you have to back up your data before resetting, and these are all the steps that I know that you can try to fix the kernel security check failure problem and to fix that. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.